Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Latisha McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Okay friends, so I want to show you guys a quick DIY. These are so cute that I had to share it with you. Now these are the Dollar Tree napkin rings. And all I did was just place that sequin that we just did that tutorial on not too long ago. And just went around it with some hot glue. That's all I did. And then right here on this area, right here on this trimming part right there, I just used the gold leafing pen. So you can spray paint the inside if you want to. I just know that this will be more of a focal point if you're using it for napkin rings. And I don't think that it needs any brooches, see there? Because the sequin stands out on its own. So that's what I want to share with you all tonight. You guys have a blessed night. I'm whispering because everybody is sleeping. All right, bye you guys, and I'll see you probably tomorrow.